Okay, so here's Google Drive, and this is the cloud storage I decided to choose. So I created a 270 folder, which is right here, and I'll show you real quick how I create that folder. So I click at the top of my drive, and I click New Folder. So that's how you would do that. So I can show you my 270 folder, and I have a course themes folder, which I'll show you how you can do that too. You'll click this button, and you will click, let's see, New Folder. So I'll click the course themes, and I have two things in here. I'll show you what I have. So I have my Down syndrome PowerPoint that I used for one of our assignments that I can go back, and I also have a Google Doc that I have created. There you go. And I can show you how I moved these items to this area. So I File, Move to, Course themes. It already sees that it is there. I can show you how I did that by making something new. So I can say new. Let's just make a new Google Doc. So I can show you how to do this. I'll just write Down syndrome on there. Then I could say File, Move to, Move here. Oh, it is already Course themes. Course themes. I'm going to move it here. Perfect. It's been moved from course themes to 270. So I can also click here and look at what I have here. In my 270, I also have this. I can drag and drop that into my new folder. There you go. I hope you better understand Google Drive now.